Welcome. If you guys are just watching this on a different channel, welcome. Well, you guys are tuning in here. We're just getting started. Give me 1 second to get everything going. EDSA looks nice. Yep. We're gonna look at EDSA off the rip. Really nice bull flag already forming on EDSA on the open. Smile Direct Club faded today. Interesting. Ethereum at 3,000. Wow. That's interesting as well. UVXY is interesting as well. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm still tweeting out everything, so still been looking for some dip buying opportunities in the market. Tesla's down almost 3.5%. Interesting for sure. The growth gets hit first whenever these corrections come by. So not to we talked about this on the stream. I'm actually looking to buy a lot of growth. Growth has been getting hit down on 2020, but now we're really looking at some good prices. So, and then CEI, a lot of these stocks, that we're swinging aren't down too bad, compared off of SPY. But SPY looks like it has a maybe a bear flag again. We might dip off of open, so that'll be interesting. Let me open chat up. Good morning, James. Sorry, guys. I've also we're supposed to be live a little bit earlier today. It didn't end up happening, but that's okay. All right. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Yeah, it looks like EDSA. I don't want to take shares because of how volatile it is, but I'm pretty sure that EDSA is gonna do really well in the market open. Perfect bull flag forming. Looks good. We're starting to coil really tight. See what SPY is gonna do at open. Cool. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm gonna we're just curious to look. I'm not gonna take any positions this morning. What I want to see is see if we flush out, see if there's something else that happens. Dogecoin is down quite a bit too. Not that I'm gonna ever buy Dogecoin, but very interesting. Yeah, the crypto got hit quite a bit. Ethereum, at 3,000 is a level that I'm like, I really like to buy at. So I'm very interested to see what Ethereum does today. We're right at $3,000, which is pretty crazy. Looks like we bounced off of 3,000. Yeah, crazy. Didn't really ever think this 3,000 level is very interesting as well. There is the bell. Hopefully my voice isn't too loud or too quiet. Yeah, Ed says gonna pop right in the morning. Perfect bull flag. Break. We'll see what happens. Like I said with Spy, I don't know if I want to be in any plays right now. Swinging cuz. And Zivo. Yeah, so because Spy is really really dropping. Let's go to Zivo. Oh, Zivo's up 120%. Again, we kind of have this nice higher lows being set up. Looks like we could possibly break out right there as well. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Yeah, this is why. But yeah, crazy moves off of Spy so far. We dipped pretty. Looks like we had a morning flush, maybe a lot of puts being put on the counter. Not too sure. Lots of volume though. It's very interesting. Bouncing off. Ouch, yeah. Yeah, it looks like, I think it's a good buying opportunity this morning. We'll see. Spy's already kind of bounced off that morning flush, so like I said, it'll be very interesting to see what happens today. Maybe we shoot all the way back up. Maybe we go down a couple more percent. Interested in seeing what happens. Definitely a lot of possibilities. Zivo's bouncing right off its 200 EMA. Could be right off of its 200 EMA, so it's interesting as well. Yes, already up 100% after hours. It's bouncing off of here, so this 562 level is not bad. Palantir back above 2750. Thank God, I was worried about open. Yeah, I saw that as well. We bounced up a little bit. But yeah, I've been holding a lot of cash looking for this, so think that we could possibly this could be a good dip buying opportunity for some of these stocks like Palantir, some of these stocks that you haven't been able to get into. So, yep, Spy's doing really really well after hours. I mean, we're already up. We were down almost 2 points, and we've already closed that gap quite a bit. Zivo's breaking out. Perfect. We touch this 200 EMA for a final test down, and then shoot back up. Very interesting. Looks like it's gonna halt up. Yeah, very interesting. Curious, yes, but I'm curious to see what we have with the Ziva. I wish I would have taken a position here, but I played the role of penny flipper today with Zivo, and I said glad I'm out. Yeah, CI starting to move up from the dip too. Yeah, we can look at that as well. CI wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people step in there. CI, yeah, Bulls will step in my opinion. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, Zivo's definitely. I think we're gonna halt up here, like I said. Wish I would have taken shares. Bounced perfectly off that 200 EMA, but no worries. Yeah, market's definitely weird. I'm surprised. Or I'm curious to see what direction SPY takes. Wouldn't be surprised if it goes either way this morning. So, definitely looking for that. Um, I want to see CEI. Um, Geez, yeah, I wish I would have bought this morning dip. I didn't see that. Wow, $1.36. That's crazy. I mean, like I said, those names get hit first, but I didn't really expect that. That's crazy. Okay. But yeah, it really is moving off that morning dip. I wish I would have saw that. It was pretty quick though. I'm actually gonna um I'm actually gonna buy. I would love, man. I would like to. I'm gonna wait here a bit, but I would like to grab some more CEI and DATs. So yeah, we will see about grabbing some of that. Yeah, like I said, I'm looking for dip buying opportunities this morning. Especially on DATs, CEI, and Wish. So that'll be what. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Especially, I want to see what's the direction SPY takes this morning. That'll be a telltale. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Yeah, CEI dip would definitely be money. Hmm. What is SPY doing? It looks like we're can't tell. It's really hard to tell. But yeah, just a lot of chop. I mean, I really think that if we break that, we could definitely see a move up. Morning, Austin. What do you think about any this morning? Let's look at any. Um, Starting to move back. We still have this big gap up. Yeah, it looks like we're. It looks like it has some relative strength. It's not down too much compared to SPY, so it doesn't look terrible. Only green stocks I own are. Yeah, there's not a lot of anything green out there today. And I want to see if there's a big morning flush. So what I was hoping is that I have some money sitting on the side right now. Really curious to see if we get a morning flush. Even be curious to take some UVXY here. Um, UVXY would be a little dangerous to take those here, but um, could be an opportunity for sure. Yeah, there's not a lot of green today. That's for sure. Which I expect when SPY is going to be down this much, but I am just not jumping the trigger too quick on buying anything. A little bit curious to see if we can see any downside. And SPY looking heavy this morning as well, but we did jump back quite a way, so I am curious to see what happens here. Yeah, Ethereum is also another one that looks interesting as well. I was waiting for that sub 3,000 level to buy right at that 3,000 when we're there. So looks good. Looks like SPY is actually gonna try to shoot up right here. Let's see what Adder's doing. But yeah, actually, SPY doesn't look too bad this morning, surprisingly. Yeah, Adder looks good as well. Starting to curl up again today. This 12 level and this 11. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance all the way up to 12. If we can break 12, we have quite a ways to run up. DATS looks good as well. I'm actually going to take some more shares in DATS down here as well. Looks pretty good. Do a market buy. Looks like we have some good relative strength, so. Have to see. Yeah, SPY's absolutely ripping crazy. Like I said, wouldn't be surprised if it went either way, but we broke this resistance. Looked like a flag, so shoot, maybe we shoot right back up. Don't know. BBIG, still not interested at these levels to buy. Like I say, there's not a lot of support down here. Not too interested in buying down here at all. Thanks. That entry point do you want for Wish? So I just got some more DAT shares. DAT looks really good right here, and Wish, good entry. Anywhere is pretty good entry in here. Just if you use $6.08 as a stop loss, it's a pretty good risk reward right here for Wish. Yeah, that's the best advice I could give. Yeah, SPY was crazy. We're down almost 2 points, and SPY already recovers a whole point. So, yeah, I'm not surprised to see that out of SPY, but yeah, very, very weird. Just kind of rips off of open. Wasn't surprised as well. I'm not surprised that that happened as well. Looks like we're doing another flag. Yeah, crazy. Really crazy on SPY. Yeah, Zivo's popping off as well. I wish I would have bought some shares this morning. That's okay. Sorry, it's blowing my nose, but yeah, definitely curious to see. Yeah, SPY. I can't believe bouncing off of today's lows really well. And UVXY is still trending downwards as well. So that's interesting to see as well. Want to see so yeah, the SPY is cool to look at, but we really want to see VIX. If VIX drops under 25, we will bounce back up today. If we can stay under 25, and yeah, we shot way back down, so very interesting. Looks like we're possibly going to break out again as well. Yeah, SPY does not want to loaded some CI at $1.55. Yeah, that's a good idea. Do like that. Looks like SPY's gonna yeah, $1.55. That's good buys. Back over our 200 EMA as well. So Yeah, SPY is just looks like we might even go green on SPY today. Quite crazy. Adder broke 12, yeah. If Adder broke 12, we have a long ways to go up. Yeah, Adder looks really good. Adder at these levels, if we can just consolidate, I wouldn't buy right here. Actually, yeah, we're right in here. I'm actually gonna take some Adder shares right here. Let me load up my phone. Didn't see that. Thanks for letting me know. So 1192. I'm gonna fill 500 shares here. Got filled 1197. So we're gonna I have 500 shares right here. I'm gonna swing this. We broke that 12 mark, and now we have a really big. Let me look. We have this gap to fill now. Actually, you still wanted to see it break 12 and a half, but if it does break 12 and a half, we have this big gap to fill back. So, yeah. Should have waited for probably 12.5 break, but still looks good. Love these days, more exciting. Oh yeah, the more volatile days are definitely exciting. That's why I was hoping that we would see some volatility pick back up. SPY would drop. And yeah, actually, if you were gonna wait 11, you really want to see it break this 1263 area. But it did break this 12, so I do want to did add some shares for possible move up. Yeah, these days are a little bit more volatile. They are more fun to work around for sure. Wish SPY would have stayed pretty volatile. Well, there we go. There we have another big dip in SPY. So, yeah, it's definitely. I think we did bounce quite a bit, but gotta be curious what we do. Did take some adder though. We're gonna swing this. I do think if we break this 12 and a half level, we could have a big runner today. Nice candle. I thought I saw 12. We'll see. Really, what we have right here that we need to do is gotta break that resistance line, and then we're gonna move up quite a bit. Yeah, Dogecoin is down. I don't really follow Doge too much, but I wouldn't buy the dip. If you're in a, like I said, if you're so confident about Doge, buy the dip. But it's not for me. Zivo, yeah, Zivo's up crazy. I wish I would have bought off that 200 EMA hit, but that's okay. Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum looks. I said I was waiting to buy Ethereum down here, but now it's down here. I don't really want to buy. Think it's gonna dip more, but we'll have to see. Adder's looking close to break out here. We'll just have to be patient on this one. Hopefully, we break out of this resistance sometime soon. There we go. Looks like another move up. We should be good. There we go. Broke out of that resistance line. That 1250 line is going to be big to break, so hopefully that shows us the money. Yeah, hopefully that shows us the money. That'd be cool. A lot of stocks trending today that I have no idea what they are. Yeah, Tesla's down 3.5%. That's pretty crazy. That usually gets hit first. And these DATS ads are. I'm already up 4% on these ads that I had on DATS this morning as well, which I'm pretty excited about. Loaded up a little bit this morning. Those are already paying off, but I think they're gonna pay off more long term anyways. CEI above $1.60. Yeah. So a lot of these, like I said, it kind of depends, but Adder is looking nice. If we break that 1250 level, it's gonna get paid nicely. So I am actually holding quite a bit of shares right now too. So pretty confident about Adder right now. Love to see that 1250 break come back in. See, oh nice. Adder looks like Adder's trying to pay me this morning, which I like to see. We have a little bit of resistance at 1261. Want to break like 12. Yeah, we're almost there. So, yeah, Sweet. Looking really good on these 1197 ads, and I took 500 shares. I took quite a bit, so yeah, sweet stuff. There we go. There's that 1272 break. Getting pretty confident on Adder now. We got this big gap to fill up. I might scale out some shares here in a second. We do have quite a bit ways to run. So up about almost $1 a share. So up about $400 right now. Looks pretty solid. Even would be a good idea to take some profits this morning too for me because SPY is being pretty shaky. Never can trust SPY sometimes, so be a good idea to take some profits up here or down here. Up here, I should say. Depends where you bought on Adder. Nice. I'd love to see that. Honestly, $13 will be a huge pivot. We'll see if 13 will be a big level. But yeah, we did break most of the levels so far, which is good to see. I would like to see that 13 though. Looking pretty decent though. You guys got any questions? If you're just tuning in, let me know. I'm just kind of sitting on the sidelines. I do have a position right now in Adder. It's got some good relative market movement, but I'm just kind of looking right now at some buying opportunities. Especially on some of my swings like DATS. There's a lot of that. I'm just kind of seeing, and DATS is up 8% today already, so that's pretty cool. We'll look at Adder in a sec. I want to look at DATS right now. Yeah, so like I said, I've been bullish on DATS. I know some of you guys probably have it because of me, but really almost hit $8. Really nice movement today. So that is really good to see. Yeah, I'm glad. I wish I would have bought a little bit more DATS, but I did buy some this morning, so that looks good at least. CEI, almost not down on the day. Yeah, all these, a lot of relative market strength in some of these, I wouldn't say odd stocks, but in these other ones, which is kind of cool to see. Didn't think that was going to be how that plays out, but that's pretty cool. Definitely, yeah. Interest, yeah. UVXY does look interesting at these levels. Yeah. Yeah, SPY looks very heavy as well. We had that morning pop. Don't know what's gonna happen with that. Maybe it's a bear. Maybe it was a bull trap. We'll see. RSI is getting really sold off. Looks like SPY wants to have another dip. Thanks, John, for the sub. Appreciate it. But yeah, looks like I feel like John, you've already been a sub. Maybe you resubbed. But yeah, SPY's looking pretty heavy. Very heavy. DATS looks good. Adder looks decent. Adder looks decent. We're still holding on to that. Appreciate it. See some names that are down a lot. Yeah, Tesla's down quite a bit. Which probably means ARK is down as well. Interesting to see. Bitcoin's down. Yeah, interesting on SPY. It just looks like, we have really strong. Looks like we have really strong an uptrend. Sometimes we're getting these nice. So he has a lot of support. Carbon capture is big, especially here in Canada. Let's see. After the federal election, yeah, it'll be interesting to see that. You also put me in LP at TX, making a little off that. Yeah, carbon capture is interesting as well. It's a federal election today. Interesting. Very interesting. Adder, my ads on Adder are looking really good as well. So curious to see what we can do on that. Looks like we're trying to break out again on Adder as well. You have been subbed. That's a different John. Oh, that's John Go. That's okay. John Latcher. Okay, I see. Cool, cool. Um, yeah. Hopefully we can break out right here. Like I said, that would be pretty sweet. Love to see some money being made for me. There we go. Spy. As soon as it looks like it's getting really, really heavy, it just rips upwards. Pretty crazy. Yeah, Adder looks pretty hot too. There you go. CEI is almost green on the day. That's crazy. So yeah, like so that's what I'm saying. These CEI buys are really, really good. Whenever it dips, bulls are really stepping in to do their part. There you go. Spy looks heavy again. Just very weird. Pretty volatile movement coming out. So interesting to say the least. Yeah, see now Spy's going to looking really heavy again. So I have 1191 position in Adder. I'm gonna sell. I have a stop loss at 11. It actually got triggered, so I got filled back at 1191. So I made nothing on this trade. Man, we went to 1285 down to 1180 really, really quick, 10%. Pretty unfortunate. Um, if you're still an adder, you did actually bounce up quite a bit, but I'm out. I didn't make. I literally broke even today on that trade. With Spy being really, really heavy, I don't really trust Adder, especially that it just dipped 10%. I was up quite a bit of money, and now I'm back down. Just break even. So just be careful if you're trading any of these tickers today that you have your stop loss set really, really close. I'm out of Adder though for now. It looks pretty heavy. Um, yeah, I can't believe it dipped all the way in two candles. It dipped 10%. Don't really want to be a part of that right now. Unfortunate. Yeah, Zivo looks good. I was looking at Zivo this morning. Very interesting. Okay. Um, yeah, Spy looks heavy, and then it doesn't look heavy. It's very interesting to say the least. Like I said again. Sorry, I was just taking a look at that. Hey, Young Buck, just got here. Did you share some thoughts on CEI? Yeah. Like I said, CEI is pretty cool. And I actually didn't. Okay. Yeah, CEI looks really, really good. There's a lot of dips, so we have these crazy dips, and look at all these wicks on here. They're always getting bought on all these dips. So any of these dips, that go back to these $1.30, $1.40 levels, they get eaten up really crazy. So yeah, it is cool. So yes. Um, CI will hit two this week, in my opinion. Yeah, I think we'll see. Thanks, Rob, for the sub. I think that CI will. Like I said, there's a lot of relative strength with SPY being pretty choppy today. Um, so we will see. Oops, wrong tab. Thoughts on GSAT look Lucid looking so good. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of Lucid too far, but yeah, Lucid jumped really low off these 21 levels. Not bad. Nasty to Bunsey morning. But yeah, CI looks really good. Um, yeah, not a GSAT looks decent. There's a gap to fill all the way down to $1.4030, so you want to be careful with that. But yeah, it looks decent. This $1.61 level, $1.18 level. Yeah, and their SPY looks very heavy once again, so that's interesting as well. Hello? Oh, you're fine. Yes, you're fine. So the ACH transfer, I called them, and the Sorry, I was on the phone. Zach Lade keeps saying CI going to five. I have no idea what the fuck getting that info from. I mean, they wanted to get from five. They all have positions at 30 cents. They have lots of shares. So they have lots of shares at 30 cents. So, not surprised that they want to. I don't know. Kind of odd. Anyways, I am gonna end. I have something to do. I got a phone call, unfortunately, so I'm gonna end it here. Sorry that we were only live for about 36 minutes, something not any or 40 minutes. I'll be on tomorrow all day on the stream, so I know today was short. Like I said, I'm just interested in buying some long term plays like Square APPS on this dip. But yeah, I'm gonna head out here. If you guys like I said, if you guys got any questions, you can DM me on Twitter. That'd be probably the quickest place.